How to repost Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto the messenger icon on your top right corner. You will see their name in the chat. Open it, and here you will see add to your story. Now, if somebody has added your name in their story, you will be able to see this mentioned you in their story. All you have to do is tap onto it and tap on add to your story. Once done, tap on your story. And now let's go ahead and refresh our page. Go on to your story, and just like so, this is how you can repost story in your Instagram. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.